Okay, hold.
Hold the electric fan.
Hold it.
Wala endorser ang ito eh, hanabishi.
Panahan. Okay na. Looking at it.
Rob! Rob, you!
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We're gonna transform later on by adding some fresh flowers because artificial flowers won't really float on water, so we need to use fresh flowers. And I managed to order some from the mountains in Busai and managed to have them delivered to the house this morning. So we'll see how it turns out later. This is gonna be the last part of the photo shoot.
Waking up now, wondering where I've been. Me by your side.
We're sewing our outfit right off the
Wondering what I wish
and this is one of the dresses that I'm gonna be wearing later. Ooh, excited. Some of the dresses that I bought in the past that I haven't worn yet. And this is also one of the dresses I'm gonna wear later. I made a small version for Layla. And then Ate Lara and Layla are gonna do twinning. Instead of going somewhere, which we did 3 years ago when I was pregnant with Layla, I decided to have a setup done outside the house. And this is what they've done so far. Ta-da! A lot of work.
for a minute, but now no more. You've been on my mind.
Looking forward to starting the photo shoot. My photographer isn't here yet.
But now
She's
no
gonna be here in like 2 hours from now because we set up the appointment for 1 p.m.
waking up
So we're just hoping that it doesn't rain. See? The decoration from the baby sprinkle that I have not removed because I'm hoping that I might be able to use this background later on to maybe this. I guess we'll see. This is one of the flower crowns that I also used for my maternity photo shoot 3 years ago when I was pregnant with Layla. So this is what I used.
but I'm not crying like the garden.
I did not get enough sleep because I still have to sew Layla's outfit. Someone will be coming over. One of my friends, Hazel, will be coming over to help us with the setup.
We're done with the house. Are they planning on staying here or?
I think they're waiting for hands.
But now no more.
Millions. We're now doing my makeup and look, I look like a...
Welcome to our channel!
So cute.
Yay! Say hi! Happy ba? Smile, chin up a bit. Smile. How can you lean down a bit for the man? Yeah, that's it. Smile. And then you look at each other.
Ayaw.
Malaki din. And then look here, Rob. Smile. Lean forward. Lean down to the neck. If you're really tall, so you can outstretch your other hand. Yes. Tilt more a bit. Almost kissing, but not quite.
Okay, hold. Hold the electric fan.
Hold it.
Wala endorser at one eh, hanapin siya.
Looking at each other's legs, Ram, para your eyes won't be
Kiss baby sister Layla. Kiss baby Tani. Ah! Cute.
Lang sa mag-shoot, guy.
Oh my chocolates! Kiss mommy!
Chin up a bit. Relax lang ba? Smile sa Leo. Yan na si Mong Kami.
Hi! Pretty! You wanna go somewhere? Hold.
Oh my God.
Oh.
So, ang nice yung set.
Layla. Layla.
Smile. Big smile, Layla.
Hi, Layla.
Look here, Layla Langga. Smile. Look at each other. Tanang mommy.
Tara, mommy.
Wow, I like your flower. Come, look at
Mommy, look at mommy.
Hi.
Hi.
Baby.
Hi.
Okay. Hey. Look at mommy.
Kaya mo. Doon ko ha.
Smile sa mommy, baby. Hi, Layla. Smile. Baby. Hi, Layla. Look at mommy. Baby.
Say hi, mommy.
Hi, mommy.
I want some chocolate.
Sige, wala kang mukha. One hand lang mo. Look here. Careful,
Dress, oh. Yes. Look at mommy's dress. Oh, hold mommy's dress. Oh. Yay. Yes. Yay, come here. Hold your dress. Hold your dress. Yay. Very good. Come on, come here. Let's walk.
Water din na ito nga. Almost full ang kanang water. Ang goal, ani. Okay, wala din siya o. Luto ko siya kung Rob! Rob, you! Hindi siya real, hindi siya mag-flower.
Ay, kasi na lang sa mga.
Second, kaya nabutot tayo. Nasublan sa water.
Ano mo siya? Neto ka naman.
Hi, Beth.
Kane.
Ang hirap ang mga clothes.
Teka na. Nakay ba, sir?
Yeah.
Red and blue.
Rob, you might need more milk. Because we're filling the tub with more water. Maybe 2 boxes. Ah, Sharo, di ba nito ng skin? Skin mo. Then pag smile mo.
Waiting for sunrise,
Try.
drinking my own
Here.
wine. Carefully leaving all memories knocked on my door. You've been on my mind for a minute, but now no more. You've been on my mind for a minute,
The last set.
but now no
For our
more.
maternity photoshoot.
But now no more. Wondering where I've been by your side. Waking up now, wondering what I wish you by my side. Waking up now, wondering where I've been by your side. Waking up
It's like your camera woman is not breathing down. Tidak cumi gagin hawat jay.
Naminigin hawa na sa mga. Ano sa umas ka na. Tanaan sa mga kami na sa experiment kami.
Winter rain falls, I'll mourn you, but I'm
Kasi
not
magiging real.
crying like a garden.
We're almost done. Yay!
You've been on my mind for a
I
minute,
thank you.
but now no more. You've been on my mind for a minute, but now no more.
So these.
Okay po,
Now no more.
mga ka-YouTubers.
Hands ba? At akong stylist ba? Na siya YouTube channel dahil niya kay mga ka-holding hands. Nice.
Dahil pinako doy. Behind the scene.
Dati ko sa plato.
So these. Lugulit tabon.
Ah, kita muna. Behind the back. Ah! Hala! Tama na po. Salamat po sa panonood. Please don't forget to click and subscribe to the channel. Oh, ma'am, sige na po. Maligo ka na.